The first thing we are going to do is circle our operation, telling us this is division. However, we are dividing by 100. Anytime we are dividing by 10, 100, 1,000, or any types of those numbers, we do not use the column method, as these are much simpler, and we can do these mentally. The same goes for multiplying by 10, 100,000, and so on. So what we are going to do, we are going to write 36 here. And when we're dividing by 100, we are going to ask ourselves, how many hundreds are there? The same way, if we did 20 divided by 5, we would say, how many 5s are there in 20? 4. We're going to do the same here, but it is slightly more confusing. We're going to ask ourselves, how many hundreds are there in 36? As we are looking for the hundreds, we are going to put it in the correct column. Ones, tens, hundreds. And we're going to keep going until we get to hundreds. When children get a little bit more confident, they might just put the hundreds column by itself straight away. And we are going to ask ourselves a question, how many hundreds are there? Well, in this case, there's 0. So we are going to write 0 as our answer. Now, as soon as we've answered that question, how many hundreds are there, we're going to place a decimal point. Now, we've done the hundreds, we're going to move on to tens. How many tens are there? 3. Fantastic. How many ones are there? 6. Fantastic. Giving us the answer of 0.36. Now, it's extremely important to move down the columns, hundreds, tens, ones, because if there's zeros or if there's more gaps, children can often miss out digits. So make sure you start with the column we have. So in this case, we're dividing by hundreds, so we're starting with hundreds, and we work down all the way to 0.